How to add a gradient fill layer in Photoshop. Go to Layer and then down to New Fill Layer and then Gradient. Once you've selected that, go to OK and now you've got your gradient. You can also select any of the gradient presets that you've currently got. So I'm going to select this one. And now you can modify the style, radial, angle, etc. All these settings are available also once you've actually clicked OK. So let's just go here and you can see now you get this long gradient line. You can modify the colors. You can also move it around. So just go down here and just drag this up, move it around, and you can see this is the gradient tool selected. If you want to add an additional color to this, go over here and hover just away from the line and you'll see a little plus. Just click and now you've got additional color. You can also double click this to bring up the color picker and you can change the color. So go for something like blue and click OK. And you can now see you've got this color. You can also hover again somewhere else and again just click and double click and then change the color again. What you can also do is you can modify along this top the type of gradient. So you can go from this linear to radial and so on. Also, you can change the method as well. So go to method, go from perceptual to linear to classic to smooth and also to stripes. If you want to change the gradient, simply select the gradient fill layer, then go up here to gradient tool and now you can see this line again and you can reposition it. You can also change all of the settings, maybe back to perceptual. As it's a layer, you can also duplicate it. So go to layer and then down to duplicate layer, click OK, and then you can reposition that. Once you've done that, you can also change the blending mode. So click here and go for overlay or difference to create a variety of different colourful designs with your gradient fill layers. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.